Okay, we're here today at Maryland Dermatology, Laser, Skin, and Vein, and we're going to demonstrate the technique of winterizing your lips and equalizing your lips. So the first step was to put on anesthetic. We're going to take that off. It's been on for an hour. We don't want anyone to feel the little tiny needle that we're going to be using. So what we're going to do is we're going to equalize the lip, bring it up like that so it matches the lower lip a lot better. And we're going to winterize it because what we're going to put in is hyaluronic acid, which holds a lot of water. And that will be moisturizing the lip from the inside, so the risk of chapped lips will be much lower. So we have several fillers that we can use for the lip. One of my favorites is Volbella, and that's what we're going to be using today. It is not to enlarge the lip, it's to give it a little bit more fullness and to reduce any fine lines. We also use Restylane Define, which is a great product for the lips, and we also use Restylane Silk as well. So we do have a lot of choices, and coming soon will be Restylane Kiss, which is going to be an interesting product. And we use special, very, very tiny needles, as you'll see in a moment. So make sure that it's the authentic product. This is manufactured in France by Allergan, and you want a nice sealed packet. And it is color-coded so that we know it is Volbella. It comes with very good needles, but we have one that's even better, which is a smaller one that's thinner than a hair. And so we're going to take the seal off. You always want to make sure that whoever you're seeing, that they're using the real thing. And then we'll put on our very tiny needle, and you can see the size of the needle is incredibly thin. And here's what the filler looks like. We're going to push it through so you can see it's like this very nice clear gel. Okay, so we've been, we had the topical anesthetic, we've removed it. We're now going to apply a little bit of ice to help to reduce the size of veins, so we reduce the risk of bruising. And we have an assistant that will help to hold the ice. So our needle is primed, and what we're going to do is figure out where we want our lip to be, and we're going to start. Here's a little stick, sorry, and hopefully you won't feel anything. So we're putting it in, and you can see we're not creating fish lips. All we're doing is enhancing lip a little bit. This is a very forgiving product, very soft, very nice. And we'll just go back in again, and we'll help to enhance the central portion, which is also known as Cupid's bow. And you can see there's no forward projection, it's just equalizing and winterizing. And now we'll do the same thing here. It's a little harder on the left side when you're right-handed, but you can handle it. To winterize the lower lip and make it smoother too, we're going to do a little bit in the lower lip. And you'll see how smooth the texture becomes. We're not enlarging the size at all, we're just smoothing it. So you can see how smooth this is compared to the other side. So we'll do this to match it up. Okay, this is the winterization process, and it's going along really nicely. Okay. Good. So what I've noticed is we need to add a little bit more, not in the lip, but now that the lip is corrected, we see some of the folds at the corner of the mouth. So for this, I'm picking Restylane Refine. We need to raise the table up just a little bit more. Okay, so what we're going to do is go in here
I'm going to see where the tip of my needle is. I'm going to start injecting. What I want to do is get it to look like that. So what we need to do is go right in the corner and try to lift here. Let's see. Okay, so this is before and this is after filler, and you can see how nice we can treat the corners of the mouth as well.